We guide you through how to delete your Roblox account on mobile using it's either iPhone or Android. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to the official Roblox support page, then tap on Contact Us. Fill in your details including your username, email address, and make sure to select the correct platform, either iPhone or Android. Under the issue type, choose Data Privacy Request, then select Right to Erasure or Delete My Account. In the description, clearly state that you want to permanently delete your Roblox account. Double check everything before submitting because this action cannot be undone. After that, submit the form and wait for a response from Roblox support, which may take a few days. They might ask you to verify your identity to keep access to your email. Once confirmed, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted.